Let's rescue those precious family memories trapped on old DVDs and tapes and bring them to life on your Apple TV. First, you'll need to digitize your movies if they're on DVD. Use a free program like Handbrake to convert them into digital files. Simply insert your DVD. Select your desired video quality and click Start. Next is organization. Create a folder on your computer named Home Movies within that folder. Make subfolders for each year or event. Drag and drop your video files into their corresponding folders. Aim for consistent file names to make searching easier later on. Now, let's get those movies onto your Apple TV. One great option is using a media server like Plex. Download Plex Media Server onto your computer. Create a free account and point Plex to your Home Movies folder. Plex will automatically organize your videos with beautiful cover art and descriptions. On your Apple TV, download the Plex app and log in with the same account. Your Home Movies will magically appear, ready to be enjoyed on the big screen. Alternatively, if you have a smaller collection, you can upload your Home Movies folder to a cloud storage service like iCloud Drive or Google Drive. Then, on your Apple TV, open the Files app, navigate to your cloud storage, and stream your videos directly. That's it. Now you can easily access and relive your cherished memories with family and friends, all thanks to the convenience of your Apple TV. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips.